How to send gift in WorldCoin app. So before anything, you have to put in mind that this option is usually part of limited time events like holiday promotions that run through a set date. And outside of those events, the World app doesn't have a separate permanent gift button, but you can still send crypto payments to others directly in chat. But for the gift option, again, it's only in limited time events and if you are eligible, and the receiver as well. But for the gift option, if those features do fit in, you can go ahead to the chat option over here and you'll be able to see this, the gift of giving. So you're just gonna go ahead and press on that. It's gonna lead you over here, a button to choose your friend. So you're gonna have to sync your contacts as well, in order to see whoever you want to send to. It's going to show you a list of the people, your world contacts, and the one who hasn't been inside World app yet but is in your contacts. You can go ahead and invite them as well. But if it's someone that has already received a gift, unfortunately, each recipient can only receive one per campaign. So you're going to have to try another friend. But if you go ahead and send to someone who hasn't received a gift yet, it's gonna show this where you can go ahead and customize. You can add a note up to 60 words, I suppose. But by sending a gift, you agree to World Foundation's term and conditions. So just go ahead and press on send. So it's just gonna go ahead and send a surprise gift up to 100 world. But that's pretty much how you send gifts in WorldCoin app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.